right, in the Sunday basket, we are going to reveal some invisible work. There's something written on this paper. It's invisible. We don't know what it is. What is the work that we are going to be diving into the Sunday basket? Oh, look at that. We need to maintain our reference binders. Oh, we're going to be learning about our reference binders today in the Sunday basket. Welcome back to week 4 of how do we move things from the Sunday basket into a binder. You notice this financial binder looks a little bit different than the other ones. We just have a running change going through our supply chain over here. Don't worry about that. So we're talking about the slash pocket inside of your Sunday basket where you hold things that you're actually done with. Like you've done all of the things and you just need to hold on to that information in case you need it in the future. It's ready to go into the binders. We're on the last binder and almost everything in my slash pocket is financial related. And you're like, when was the last time you updated your financial binder? I'm so glad you asked. It's what, June now? The last time that I updated my financial binder was in March. Hello, paperwork. Hello. And we have to have all this paperwork. So I'm going to move the Sunday basket over to the side a little bit and show you what I regularly update inside my financial binder. All of this, you guys, all of this, these are all coming from the insurance company for, I don't know, our house, our cars, whatever, 4 people, 4 drivers, 4 cars, like, hello. And you can say, oh, but you could get that digital. No, I don't want it digital. I actually want it physical. And I'm gonna open up my financial binder, and when I have time, I'm gonna actually update that. But right now, I'm just gonna go to the financial insurance one. I'm gonna shove it in the slash pocket. You're like, oh, but that's not perfectly organized. Right, that's why I'm showing you that, because you can see I just did this the last time. And I'm gonna shove it right in there. And look at how much is in there. That is all insurance paperwork. Why am I doing that, and why am I showing you this? Because this is not like a final exam. We're not getting a perfect grade. We are processing through as much as we possibly can. Mail comes in. I prefer it be mail because I want to know if we don't have insurance on something, and also I want to be able to see my policy. Mail comes in, goes in the Sunday basket. I open it. It goes in the to be filed slash pocket. Then I file it in the right section of the binder. Now, heaven forbid we have an accident. I can easily find the most recent policy. I mean, this will take me what, 5 minutes instead of 1 minute if I already had it divided out. And one time a year, I will go through and I will find the most recent and I will make this all pretty again and I will move on with my life. But not today because I've got more to do. So that's one section in my financial binder. What else could have possibly happened in just a few short months? Oh, well, the insurance for the cars? Well, we had to get tires for 2 different sets of cars. Not cheap, by the way. Oil change for 2 different cars. So all of that needs to go in there as well. Now, you don't have to keep all of that information, but we do own all of our cars, so I do. Also, I have one of our family members' social security cards because they needed to use it to get a driver's license renewed, so that needs to be refiled inside of the financial binder. Could they have brought it home and put it into the financial binder right away? Probably, but also it was just as safe in my Sunday basket until it got there. If it's not here, it's here. It's only in 2 locations. It's not anywhere. It's in a couple of places. And then our mortgage company has switched how they do mortgages. I'm not happy with our broker that we used for refinancing, but whatever. That is not it's not in my pay grade. So I just need to update that information in my financial binder so that I know who is doing our mortgage in case we need to contact them for any reason. Our mortgage is auto paid, so there's nothing else I need to do, but I just need to update who actually owns the mortgage because they seem to be selling it like it's, fun for them. Isn't this how we got into trouble in 2008? Just saying.